We're moving to Esperanza, Ontario, California Retirement 55 Plus community. This community features a gated entry, 9,000 square foot clubhouse which includes a bar, catering, kitchen, fitness center, and activity rooms. Outside, resort-style swimming pool with lap lanes and spa. Park and pickleball courts. Our home is called the Vivier, which includes 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,581 square foot, and a 2-car garage. The activities that are offered are bagel and brew, fitness classes, holiday parties and events, holiday wine pairing, jazz and wine under the stars, live music events, National Pizza Month, pool parties, pop-up dinners, succulent workshops, summer barbecue, Sunday on Sunday, wine events, and wine harvest month. Come and see our new home. The second part of this video will be called a dusty shoe. It's a great opportunity for us to tromp through the dirt and the new construction of our new home. Come and join us during this interesting event.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Alright, so we enter the entryway, and right this way is the small bedroom. And of course, large window, and a standard closet. And then we come back out. And notice the tile, it looks like wood, but it's tile. This is the bathroom. So it's a standard bathroom. Plantation shutters. And this one is nicely modeled. Hello Gary, how you doing? And then this is the standard that you'd get in the bathrooms. And then over here, washer and dryer does not come with the unit. But if you want to spend $10,000 or more. I don't know what these things are selling for. But it does come with standard. There's only 3 of them. I'm going to install more. There's dead space over here because the washer is over here. So there's nothing, you can't do anything about getting in there, which is kind of stupid, but oh well. So, but there is a place to do your linens. This is the electronics. Come back out of here, back into the foyer area. See how wide it is? Perfect. Okay, just gonna go through here real quick. This over here goes to the garage, it's locked, but these are really nice and deep.
Deep linen
Okay,
shelf.
that doesn't come with it. Kitchen. All the appliances are brand new. They're really beautiful. Look inside. These are brand new refrigerator with the latest updates. You see there's a backsplash on the back end. This is an upgraded model. What we bought this model for is basically so I could have the pantry to bring the food. And what I like about the pantry is it's got its own light, which the last pantry we had did not have a light. The light turns off. See, the light turns, it only stays on when the door is open. Okay, now the pantry, now what's really cool, the backsplash, it goes all the way to the top. So if we decide to use granite, that's what they would do. They would put granite all the way across. All of the units have a up-to-date oven with a really nice fan on the top. There's oven number 2 here, and there's number 1 for Linda. And this is a microwave convection oven. Really deep cabinetry. There's a cabinetry on both sides. Pretty good enough cabinetry to get going. Here is a center sink. I love these sinks. And this is an updated feature here, but you can see, and when I watch this drawer here, it's soft close, it closes itself. This is the dining room with the plantation shutters. And all of the lighting is extra. I mean, the ceiling fan's extra, this lighting is extra, but the regular lighting like these right here, those are part of a deal. Now what's really good about here, this is the outside patio. And you see a large area of outside patio. That is all part of the deal, including the cement slab is all part of the deal. But anything past the cement slab is, and you only get 5 feet with the model we chose, so we may do something different for that. Also, ours will be a little bit deeper than this one is because we have an extra 2 feet. Okay, so here is like the family room. We're going into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is very nice. Now the closet here is much bigger in this model than the other models. So we decided to get this model for that reason. Also, this is the master bedroom. I'm not too happy about the glass door, but it does lead right outside next to my kumquats when I plant them, that is. And then all the windows come with screens. These have plantation, but this is the model, you know. Yes, that's my bed. Yeah, right. Okay, so the shower, you can see the amenities. There's this one here comes with tile. That's an extra. It goes all the way to the ceiling. The standard models do not have, they have tile, but doesn't go to the ceiling. And you do get, no, this is an extra, but the cabinetry is all the same. You get this frame mirror here, that's part of the deal. You get 2 frame mirrors, not the plant, and 2 medicine cabinets. And also a huge toilet, which is a little higher than our present one. And what's special about that is easy for Linda to get in and out. So that is the entire 2-bedroom home. Starts at $700,000 without any amenities. They do have standard carpeting, not this one here. There's a beautiful carpeting. This is an upgrade to this tile that looks like wood, and upgrades this entire thing. This entire thing is an upgrade. Trying to look at the upgrades, I can point them out to you. There are security systems within the Lennar system, and you just have to buy into those. Though you can always install your own, but then you're responsible. Oh yes, this tile in here is an upgrade. Let's see. This carpeting is an upgrade. You can put mirrored doors on some of the units. I don't think I'd really want that, but you know. Alright, so this is going to be our new home that we will be getting in 2023, January or February, and we can't wait to get started. Oh yeah, this is just a basic closet, and all the doors are going to be this tall. It's about 9 feet. Let me see if I can show you from the back. Back. You see, it's a 9-foot door. And everything is nice and wide, over 3 feet. Plenty of room to put our decorating table over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful home. Of course, it doesn't come with any of the furnishing, which is a sort of a bummer. But we have a lot of this ourselves. So it gives us an idea where we're going to put the TV set. And I believe that the fittings on the back of the TV set are all set up for it. There's holes in the wall for the wiring and so forth. We'll need the same thing on this side too. Alright, so that's basically the tour of our new home. Alright, so we're gonna just pan it out a little bit and end this video. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting us, and that's gonna be a new life for us. These 55 plus communities come with all kinds of pool, a complete exercise room, and things to do with other people. That's one of the reasons we need to downsize. You know, as you get older, it gets harder to do all the things that you want to do. Alright, that'll be our front door, and we're out of here.
This part of the video is called the Dusty Shoe. It shows you the basic part of our new home. Some of the walls are completely without sheetrock, but it gives you an idea where all of the wiring and pipes for each of the bathrooms, kitchen areas, and so forth.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.